Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really fun stepper card for you. This is my Happy Easter stepper card. How adorable is this design? You have the happy little Easter bunny there. He's popping out of an Easter egg, and he's got some Easter eggs here on the bottom. You have some really fun flowers on either side and clouds in the background. I love how a stepper card stands on its own. It really makes a very impressive card to display. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really fun to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue or adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2025. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to drop down the layers. Highlight that top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and Attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon. Highlight the score lines. Change them to Score. Highlight the group and Attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines for the card base. Here at the top, we're going to fold those 2 score lines on either side as mountain folds. Then this center score line is going to be folded as a mountain fold. The second to last score lines are going to be folded as valley folds. And then the last 2 score lines are going to be folded as mountain folds. Bring it all together. Take your scraper and burnish all of those. And that is what it should look like once it's all folded. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And let's open up the card, and you're going to attach that to the inside. Close up the card base. And while we are at it, before we start layering the embellishments, let's add the other cover panels to the front of the card. Just like so. And lastly, let's add our grass to the bottom of that front cover panel. You're going to start with the lighter green. That's going to be on the left. Line up the edges right here. And then the darker green goes on top of that. Just like so. Now we can set that to the side. Alright, before we get to layering our little Easter bunny for the front, we can go ahead and layer all the little embellishments. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these pieces together, so I will just refer you to those. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer these together. Alright, I'm going to set all of these to the side so they can dry. Now, the last thing that we need to do is layer our little bunny. So again, refer to that layering guide, but for this one, from back to front, you're going to start with the brown, the light pink, the cream color, and then the dark pink. And there is our little Easter bunny. Now let's go ahead and start to embellish the front of the card. I'm going to start with the clouds since we have those behind our little Easter bunny. And now place the little bunny in the center. I'm going to Place the flowers on either side of him. And now I will just add all of the different eggs. And there we go. How adorable is that little card? Now I'm going to open it up so that it can stand up nice and tall, and I'm going to let everything dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Now before you close up the envelope, I'm going to suggest that you take the card and place it inside. Fold those side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our stepper card is all set. Wasn't this one really fun to put together? I love stepper cards, like I said before. They're really fun and they make really great cards to give. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of paper crafting and card making friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. Before I sign off, I just want to say how much fun I have had over the last 12 days crafting Easter projects with you. It has been so great to see your different comments and emails and Facebook posts saying how much you have loved this event. It really warms my heart, and I just want to say thank you. This is going to conclude Happy Crafty Easter for 2025, but don't worry, it'll be back next year. If you want to see more Happy Crafty Easter projects, make sure to check out the playlist here on YouTube. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.